Okay, so we're doing a review and unboxing of a BougeRV. I'm gonna spin this around, we're gonna open it, and then we're gonna test it out. So this is it's 18 liter on the box, but it did say 19 liter on Amazon, so I don't know, I'll have to verify that. So this is the box that came in, pretty nice. Good packaging, I'm looking and I'm seeing lots of styrofoam. All right, it's kind of heavy. That looks like that's the compressor options. So yeah, it's not light. I mean, your food's already going to be kind of heavy in there. So it's got a little cage. I guess that's important. Not as big as I thought it was going to be. Looks a little challenged for the space. Now granted, this does allow you to have a battery, which I have a battery from another BougeRV fridge that I have, so I'm going to try that out. Let's see what this looks like. So the reason why I got this is because I wanted the battery option, because I thought that would be kind of cool to have. I didn't realize the compressor was going to be 20 pounds before you put food in it. So that's something to consider. Let's see what's in the box. Some cables. What is that? Ah, okay. And we've got instructions, which instructions are great. If you've ever put together IKEA furniture, many of you know that's as men, we rarely follow instructions. So let's see. I've got a plug that looks like the DC plug. This looks like the DC plug for the fridge. This is the AC plug for the wall. All right. So this is the battery that goes with my other fridge, and hopefully it's not been on the whole time. And this is, I found this charger which will charge that. If you don't know, if you guys ever have one of these and you see that, you can charge it there. We'll also review this a little later, maybe when we're using it. This is a BougeRV solar charger, which has everything you need. It works fantastic. It's 60 watts, and it does put charge into the fridge directly, which is kind of cool. So let me put this to the side and see. Where's our plugs? Okay. Our plugs are in the back. So that small solar panel will plug right into here and charge this unit and charge the battery. So let's check and see, fingers crossed, that this works. Ooh, it's a fit. So this is if you want to buy a generic battery and you want to use it in this fridge, it's a success. Wow, that's loud. That compressor is loud. Okay. So this has an app. So let's bring this up and open this. Let's see if it's easy to install. Okay, we want to download it through Android. Install. Okay. How long does it take?
10 minutes later.
I mean, it's a tough one because if you're going to use this for like a getaway for the day or for the weekend, it has some advantages. It does have a little port here on the front where you can plug it in right there. It does have a pretty simple monitor system, settings, power, plus and minus. We'll play with that in a second. So the app is up. Let's open the app. It's not like Blue Yeti or EcoFlow, but it works. So we're in Fahrenheit mode. Let's drop it down to, we're in max, turn on, battery life. What's our settings? Device name, battery protection. So yeah, we'll keep that there. Let's put the temperature to, okay, I'm not really digging it's slow. I'd like to see a dial, or like where I could do it faster. I'm gonna put it at 32 degrees. Actually, I'm just gonna do it here because it's probably easier. So the app at BougeRV needs some love. I'm gonna put it at 32 degrees because I don't want my food frozen because I'm taking it with me to the mountains, and we'll discuss this more. We're also got a couple. Hello and welcome. This is Peanut Buddha, and this is Baby Buddha. This is Bodhi. Say hello, Bodhi. There you go. Go do your thing. I had to pick him up. He was getting into some nonsense. Okay, so I want to go over this real quick. This is the final review, our final closing thoughts on this Bouge 19-liter fridge freezer, single compartment. So you pick, you want it to freeze or you want it to fridge. It does have this up there. It kept everything super cold. At 32 degrees, it actually even prevented the meat from thawing. I brought hamburgers and hot dogs. It prevented that meat from thawing. It kept everything awesome. And I ran it in the car off of this. Effective, not noisy, didn't overheat. I ran it at the house before with the 110 plug. Didn't get hot, didn't overheat. Chilled it to the precise temperature and charged this battery. Again, I got this battery. It's generic. It's not the Bouge, but it works just the same. This battery is phenomenal. This battery, the reason why I got this one is because it has the plug here. So you can plug it in by itself, get it ready to go before your trip. So it's in, we're chilling. So now this fridge without the battery is still a nice option. With the battery, game changer. A game changer. So for those of you that are getting into van life, living out of your car, wanting to go weekend camping, for singles that are on the road full time, for people that want to do, maybe you're bringing some frozen goods from the store home or whatever it is, or you're going to go to the beach for the day. It's a little heavy for the beach, but it's not too bad. The compressor again is super quiet. The controls are super easy. The app is practical. There's no bells and whistles. It gets the job done. The inside again is, it kept everything cool. So at 32 degrees, opening and closing, I opened and closed it just as if you were going to use it about once every 30 minutes and move the items around. The battery, this battery ran this fridge for 24 hours and still has 2 bars. The battery, you can charge it from any of these items. So the wattage that this was running at, just to maintain that 32 degrees, was about 22 watts, and then it'd go down to 0. When it kicked in the compressor, it went up to 40. But overall, you're averaging about 20. So if you're getting sun and you're getting 60, let's say you're pulling in 45 or 50 from your 60-watt panel, you're going to still have a spillage over into this, charging the battery, and enough to keep this cold. I put this at 0. I'm doing the same thing. It does burn the battery a little bit more, but not that much. The pros, it would be the size. Great for a single person. You can use it also for van life, for overflow from your freezers. A lot of vans, like the Thor Sequence, will have the small college style fridge combo. This will give you an extra place for freezing for food. Like for me, for my dog, for Bodhi, you just saw him. For the farmer's dog, I like to keep some frozen packages. Or for me, also being carnivore, I like to also keep my meat. So I can keep that in here and use the fridge for what it's supposed to be and not have that problem of having no freezer space. Solved. The other pro is you can charge it from solar. You can charge it from the battery. You can charge the battery from the solar or from the wall or from the cigarette lighter. So you've got multiple means to keep this going. The battery is essential and excellent. It backs it up. So let's say you had a failure of your solar panel or your car stopped charging it for some reason. This battery will keep it going for 24 hours. If it's a fridge, for about 18 hours if it's on freezer. Now, the cons, the weight. It's not the lightest. It leans to the one side, so it's heavy on the compressor side. The color, I'd like to see it in a tan or something that's a little bit more light, right? A tan would be perfect. I would also like to see the app a little bit nicer, but as far as the price, $200 on sale is fantastic. The options to charge it, fantastic. The accessories came just like every standard one that you would get. The handle, nice and sturdy. The interior capacity, I don't know that it's actually 19 liters, it might be 18, but it's okay. It's not exceptional, but you're not also wheeling it around and it's not taking up, I mean, that kind of a fridge is twice this size, maybe even 3 times. So it's great for what you need. It's great for overlanding. It's a win. It's durable, it's quiet, it's efficient to the highest level. So this is a win for me. I'm giving this a win. So Peanut Buddha's giving this, this gets the PBJ thumbs up, right? This is peanut butter jelly right here. This is the bomb.